Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. From the last week I have been drawing BTS members one by one. I started this series by drawing V first, and then I drawn RM and then Jin. So today I'm going to be drawing SUGA from BTS. This drawing and this video is going to be fantastic as always. So sit back and enjoy. And friends, after watching this video, please show some love for this video and for my channel. But before all of these, enjoy the video my friends. And here's the drawing my friends. I hope you like it, and if so, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, relatives, family and the whole army. And if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and support my work. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Vishwa.